Greeting, Mark Bonnier. We're going to be looking at how we can insert photo right here in Google Doc. There are two ways in which you can actually download this photo, upload this photo. So I'm going to show you the two ways in which you can actually do that. All right, the first way right here, notice you come up to this insert tab. Now when you click on insert tab, what you will see right here, notice right here is the image table. We want to focus on image. Now when you come across this upload from the desktop, you can actually search web, you can go directly to drive. Here you can actually go to photo. Right here you can put in a URL. I can literally from the camera. So I'm going to click right here that upload. So far, when I click, notice this is what take me to right here. So I'm going to click on this one, say all file, and then come right down here to my right. Here's a cancel, I open. And when I click that now, definitely it's going to open. So let me scroll up, right? So I'm going to select this photo by highlighting it. So come right here, click. All right, if you notice, this is selfie the photo. I can actually size it up just like that. All right, let me go up some more. So this is selfie the photo again. Let me carry it in some more. Carry it down. All right, put it a little smaller. All right, so this is the photo so far. I'm going to show a next way in which you can actually do that. All right, if you notice right here, you come right here, this click where it says insert image. You're going to click. You notice you see upload from a computer as a search. Try plus the same. I'm going to click right there. Notice it actually take me save this right there. Just the same right there. So this one I want to select the same photo. I'm going to click on it open. You notice? So this is the same way. You notice you have some option analysis in front. Right here, you can see behind text. So if I click behind text, I can actually carry it all the way here. All right, let me go up. So far, you notice. There you go. With it. All right. So notice the next one up front. All right. So this is the tool in which you can actually insert image right here in your Google Doc. So remember to share, like, and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.